Is life deterministic or we have free will? This has been one of the greatest human questions in history. I want to look at this realistically. When we are born, we have no role in choosing our birthplace, family, type of race, level of beauty, and etc. These factors have the most impact on our life that we have no role in choosing them. I believe that most of life is deterministic and we have real free will in dealing with the events ahead of us. And this real free will is also influenced by our unconscious. The unconscious has a large share in our decisions and limits our free will. We can conclude that we are free creatures in a deterministic world. Of course, this limitation doesn't mean that we do nothing and say we are captivated by determinism. History shows us that with this low percentage of free will, we can still change our lives. Many people live in the worst conditions since childhood, but due to their efforts and will, they changed their lives and became rich and successful. This low percentage of free will can make a rich and successful man or a poor and miserable one. Well, almost it is up to us what we want to be and what change we want to make in our lives.